everyone, Kopi Bosian and welcome to the Sabah International Convention Centre, where today is day one of the exciting FHM Borneo Edition, Malaysia's leading food and hospitality trade show. My name is Ben Uzair and you will be following me to the exhibition and expo to peruse various booths, food tastings and most importantly, some networking. Come, let's go.
Because I heard a lot about the success story of FHM in Singapore and in Malaysia. For us into this industry, I'm very glad and very pleased that the organizer picking up Sabah as a host in East Malaysia.
Great.
I have the pleasure to officially launch the Sabah Hospitality Fiesta and Food Hospitality Malaysia Borneo Edition 2024.
Well, as far as Sabah is concerned, I think this is a very vibrant and dynamic region in the food service industry as well in the hospitality. We really hope that we can be part of it. That's why since FHM is the first time organizing here, and we do not want to miss the opportunity as well.
It's very important that we have this exhibition right here in Kota Kinabalu. It makes it accessible for entrepreneurs in the F&B industry and also hoteliers to make quick connections, to have previews of wonderful products. Hopefully it will cultivate more connections and also relationships, and hopefully this will be a great start to many more trade shows by FHM.